Hey there, Elementor educators. Are you tired of plain old headings? Want to add some creative flair to your designs? Let me show you how to change the writing style of a heading in Elementor using the free OoohBoi Steroids extension. First things first, make sure you've installed the free Elementor plugin and the OoohBoi Steroids extension. If you haven't yet, head to your WordPress dashboard, search for OoohBoi Steroids in the plugin repository, and click Install Now. After installing the plugin, make sure to enable the harakiri options in the plugin settings. This will activate extra options for the heading widget in Elementor. Now open any page or create a new one using Elementor. Select any heading widget and you'll notice additional options labeled Harakiri in Style tab. Enable this feature to unlock new heading style options. You can also add text indent to the current heading if desired. Experiment with the settings and explore the results. Let's begin by refining the writing style. Explore the new typography enhancements powered by OoohBoi. You can easily apply effects like flip, writing mode, and text indent. Don't forget to adjust the text height if necessary for a polished look. Your heading style has been transformed to vertical, thanks to Elementor and the amazing OoohBoi Steroids plugin. The best part? It's absolutely free. Let's experiment with this feature on other widgets. Adding text indentation to your headings is simple. You can achieve this without the need for any additional CSS. You can also change the hover color of the heading widget. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Elementor tips and tricks. You'll find the plugin link in the video description, so don't forget to check it out. Also, explore my other videos for more exciting content. Happy designing!